you guys drinking? Everybody has a drink in hand. Hello, Siddharth.
Protein shake, hi.
Yeah, that's what you're
Do
calling
not
it.
lie. Come on, tell us what's there.
Froth किस चीज की होती है इसमें यार?
Margarita.
मार्गरीटा भी हो सकती है, कुछ भी हो सकती है।
I'm drinking green tea.
And what about your drink? Where's your drink?
I'm a very sharif and sober man. I don't drink.
We're drinking green tea.
He's intoxicated with life.
I'm intoxicated with
On
life.
life. High on life.
Are they making you into a bad guy here? Like you were like the Sharif guy. Like have they really spoiled you?
To be very honest, I was never a sharif guy.
Yeah.
I just keep
8 बजे के बाद.
मेरा रूप बदल जाता है. रात को मैं भेड़िया बन जाता हूँ.
हाँ,
अंदर का भेड़िया बाहर निकल आता है.
full जानवर. Is pretty wild. He's got a capacity to last in social gatherings, and extremely contrary to what people believe or perceive him to be as.
He's a chula.
He's a chula at night.
Tell us about what Kapoor and Sons is going to be for the audience.
I think lots of emotion, lot of fun, lot of family drama.
I don't want to really specify the learning, but I feel like everybody will take away some learning from the film. It's not just like you'll remember it and you'll forget it. At least that's what I think. It's my personal opinion because I had the same feeling. Just hopefully a smile on their face and just some reinstilled values.
Fawad, was it pushing the bar a little more with this film from what you've done in the past? How different was it in terms of the craft, if we talk about just the film?
The reason why this shoot was so stress-free was that there was ultimately a lot of camaraderie amongst all the members of the cast and the crew. And it being a young cast and crew, including, I mean, Rishi Kapoor, Rajat sir and Ratna Pathak, all three of them basically are young at heart people. Okay, na? So it was just a bunch of young people together having a great time vacationing in Kunur and just shooting in between. So things were never really difficult at any point in time. Character, I would say, is in a grey zone, and that's what I like about it. So there's nothing really difficult about that, about the character, but it's in a grey zone. So it allows you to be real, and which I think is a little easier.
So shooting for films in India, like you've been to Kunur. During your last film, you were somewhere in Rajasthan. Promotions take you all over the place. If you have to take Siddharth and Alia back in Pakistan and show them something really picturesque, maybe like for a vacation, where would you recommend? What place do you think Siddharth and Alia must really explore in Pakistan?
It depends on what kind of climate they like, because there's a lot of beautiful stuff to see in Pakistan.
Beach.
Want to see the beach? यहाँ एक बीच छोड़ के दूसरे बीच पे जाना है.
No, Shona, what you like? What is your
No, but it completely depends on the climate, na? Because this, like I said, there's so much
like a hilly
beautiful.
area, which is-
You want to go to a hilly area? Yeah, so northwest Pakistan, KPK, so Skardu is, sorry, then the sky is the limit. You can start from Gilgit, Skardu, whatever. You can go to Swat even, which is like lower terrain, and then go up into the mountains, and then you can go up to Hindu Kush, and if you want to go mountain trekking.
let's do that.
You want to do mountain trekking?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Cool.